Welcome to tutorialsinhand.com. In this video tutorial, we are going to understand what is PAN card and what is PAN number that we get with the PAN card. Let's proceed to understand what exactly is PAN card. PAN card is something which looks like the image that is shown over here in the diagram. PAN card is actually a 10-character long alphanumeric unique identifier which is issued by the Government of India Income Tax Department to any person or company, firm, government or any entity who applies for it, and the primary purpose of the PAN card is to bring a universal identification for the financial transactions that is done by these entity and to prevent any tax evasion, so that any illegal transactions should not be done, which includes the high net worth individuals who can actually impact the economy. Now, the PAN is also steadily becoming one of the very important documents when opening bank account or demat account. We also require them for opening landline telephone connection or purchasing of any foreign currency, and it is also required whenever we make any deposit of transactions above 50,000 rupees in our bank account. This is how PAN card actually looks like. Now the PAN card will have the Government of India logo over here, that is written Bharat Sarkar, and this white side actually contains your photograph. Your means the applicant's photograph who has applied for PAN card, and then the first name that you see over here below Income Tax Department written, it is the father name of the applicant. And the next one that you see, Chandrika SI, is actually the name of the applicant to whom this PAN card is issued. The next one is the date of birth of the PAN card holder, and beneath that you can see is a permanent account number. That is what is the full form of PAN. PAN means P permanent, A account, N number. This is permanent account number, which is 10-digit alphanumeric unique identifier, which uniquely identifies this person, Chandrika SI, for any financial transactions done under this PAN card. And the last one is actually the signature of the applicant or the person to whom it is issued. Now let's move on to understand what exactly this PAN number denotes. 10-digit alphanumeric PAN number can be actually split into certain characters to understand what exactly they denote. So let's see the image at the right side now. Now the first three character, which is BHX in the PAN, that is BHX, is actually an alphabetic series between AAA to ZZZ. So between A to G means it can be anything like ABC, PLM, or anything between this series. So the next one, that is P, actually denotes the status of the PAN card holder. That means whether it is issued to the person or it is issued to the company or it is issued to firm or Hindu divided family, or number of other options are also available, which we will see in next few seconds. For now, just understand that the fourth character actually denotes the status of the PAN card holder, and the next one, which is fifth character, is actually first character of the surname of a person in case it is issued to a particular individual, that is person, and it may also contain the first name of the entity, such as the company. Like a company, if the PAN card is issued to the company, then the first character of the company name is written over here. So for example, if we consider this one, since it is issued to a person, so the first character of the surname of the person is written over here. Name of the person is Chandrika SI and his surname is SI, and S is the first character of the surname, which is written over here. So by looking at the fifth character of the PAN number, you can easily understand that surname of the person starts with S, or the name of the company to whom it is issued starts with S. So this is not issued to company. Since it is issued to a person, so the name of the person is starts with S. Now next 4 digit is a number series between 0001 to 9999. So it can be anything like 1 2 3 4 7 6 5 4 or anything between this series. And the last one, that is N, is actually a check digit that is obtained by applying certain formula on the previous 9 digits, and thus we get this character, and it completes the permanent account number that needs to be issued to this particular person. This is how we get our PAN number. And now I think you should be able to understand or identify whether the PAN is issued to a particular person or not. Now you can also identify if it is issued to a company or firm or anyone else once we cover the next slide. And in the next slide we will tell you what are the other status that a PAN card holder may hold. So let's move on to the next slide. The status of PAN card holder can be C, that is company. It can be P, that we have seen in the previous slide, for person. And then it can be H for Hindu undivided family. It can be F for firms. It can be A for association of persons. It can be T for trust. It can be B for body of individual. It can be L for local authority. It can be J for artificial judicial person, and G for the government. Thus, these are the status of the PAN card holders. Concluding this video, I would like to say that PAN card is actually one of the most important documents in India, and it can be misused. So I would rather suggest my viewers to make sure that they don't just distribute the photocopy of the PAN card or PAN card number to any individual who should not be getting hold of it, because they can misuse your PAN number, as it contains the important informations like your date of birth, which is one of the very sensitive informations, and then it contains your signature as well, and it contains the PAN number. This PAN number can actually be used to find out your CIBIL score, from which people can make out, means how much loan can you get, or the financial transactions that you have made, and these things can be found out, and thus may put you to some unwanted risk, which you should definitely try to avoid. Thus, I would end this video saying thank you to each and every person who has viewed this video to the end, and at the same time I would request you to please like and subscribe our channel so that we get motivated to create more videos like this and to keep you informed on other topics.